Hi! In front of me is Honor 50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find clock and tap on it. Then select alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. Following that, you need to set up an hour and choose repeat. Now select days of the week manually by tapping on the best ones for you and choosing OK. Then click on label. So serum is click, label your alarm however you wish to, click on OK and tap on ring duration. Over here you can pick how many minutes your alarm will ring. I will go with 10 minutes. Then click on snooze duration and pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. When you're ready, choose OK. Then click on sound. Now you can select one of those melodies as your alarm sound by tapping on the best one for you and going back, but you can also select music on device and pick song from your smartphone, like that one. Then you need to go back and choose vibration. Now you can tap on one of those vibration patterns to pick the best one for you. I will go with that one, or disable vibrations completely by choosing none. When you're ready, you need to go back and click on the top right corner to save your alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can switch it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it. Choose alarm that you wish to get rid of, like that one, and select delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!